Hi, I'm Dr. Daniel Becker, and I am a facial plastic and reconstructive surgeon, a rhinoplasty specialist. This is my video blog. I get a lot of emails from patients and prospective patients with various questions, and a common question is, Dr. Becker, how do you fix a twisted nose? Well, the twisted nose is one of the more technically challenging operations, but in experienced hands, significant improvement is usually possible. When you look at someone with a twisted nose, the surgeon has to do a careful analysis to figure out why the nose is twisted. If the nose is twisted mostly because the upper portion, the bones, are shifted to the side, well, the main treatment will be to cut those bones and shift them back to the middle. Sometimes we need to cut those bones in more than one place. That's what many people think of as breaking the bones. But look at one of my earlier video blogs, and we explain that in detail there. If the nose is twisted in the middle part of the nose is made of cartilage. And there are a number of different techniques that we can use, including repositioning that cartilage, also grafting techniques, and there are, like I said, a number of different techniques that are available to make these complex deviations to significantly improve them. Finally, if the tip is twisted, then we essentially do what's called a tipplasty. That involves taking the tip cartilages apart from their twisted position and reorienting them in a straight orientation. Many times patients have a combination of these things, so usually in those cases we do a little bit of all of it. We fix the upper, middle, and lower third. But of course it sort of depends upon why your specific nose is twisted, and of course I need to see you to give you a specific answer for your nose. I do have a website, the rhinoplastycenter.com, that has descriptions about these and other techniques. So I'd encourage you to visit that website, read the frequently asked questions, look at the before and after photos, explore the website in its entirety. Please feel free to send me an email question. I'd be happy to respond. I look forward to hearing from you.